Hey guys, I wasn't able to upload before, but Creamy had an infection yesterday, so I put him in this little quarantine tank. He's getting better since yesterday. He had a little fuzzball on the bottom of one of his anal fins, so it seems to be doing pretty good. He's swimming much better now. He's eating. It's going good. All the other fish seem to be fine as well. I'm hoping that I got him out of there in time so that none of them caught anything. I'm not sure if fungal infections are contagious, but if it's anything like cottonmouth, then I would worry. But he's good. Right, Creamy? Doing good.